How to log into your Virgin Money credit card account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on accessing your Virgin Money credit card account. So follow the steps. First of all, you have to open or launch any web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and in the address bar, type in uk.virginmoney.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will be directed to the official website of it, and next click on the sign in button at the top right of the screen, and as soon as you do that, click on the initial option that appears to log into your Virgin Money account. So you will need to sign into your internet banking, so click on continue to the internet banking, and on the following page enter your username or the customer number and click on continue. Then enter the correct form of your password and click on continue again. If you can't recall your password, click on I don't know my password and follow the on-screen instructions to reset or retry your password. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more exciting content like this. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.